Okay, hello everyone. So this is the day that I have realized that when you are ready and you are eager and interested to record a session, but in front of you is a laptop, that is a bug. I have to use this on-screen keyboard to do my job or typing today, as I have issue with my physical keyboard. If I want to type something like 1 2 3 everything, now this 1 1 is automatically being typed by my keyboard. I don't know what issue is this, but sometimes you have to face this kind of issue. So I just enable my on-screen keyboard uh, to type whatever I want to type. Like I type this upwork.com today by this keyboard. Similarly, even from start menu, I opened the most login using this most most, and then I got this. I was able to open this way because physical keyboard is not helping me today. Anyway, so let's go through this tool that we started. This one I wanted to explore few more features that it has, because I'm right now exploring this profile section, and under this profile, so let me show this. What is this? So if I click this, I got these profiles, folders and extensions, right? And then you have quick button which will help you to you know create another profile, and then you can give folder name out of these three options right now, and then give any title you want to identify your session, and then operating system, and finally the Chrome version. That's it. And then you have something create batch create, batch import. So I guess you are able to import multiple session profile. You can create separate in separate laptop or computer and export from there, and then import bunch of them at the same time. Let's see what template they provide, so we can explore that. For example, I download this. You see, 1 1 is typed, so I have to use my on-screen keyboard to kind of name this template. Okay, template, that should be enough. Enter. um, let's go to download and see what are okay. So yeah, so you have folder, title. Okay, so you have to select that e-commerce, one of the three options: title, proxy information, example one, direct, socket. Okay, start URL. You want to use the URL to browse set by default. Then you can use this 2FA, two-factor authentication secret for generating profiles, cookie, and then user agent. What else? Profile remark. So these are the I guess information you need to create profile. So you have to import this file. Do not deal or modify the table header instructions row. So you can start from this one. Each import must not exceed 1000 entries. Wow, 1000 entries. So this software, you can um, understand, this software is not for simple work. It can do a lot of things. I understand this. Most login is not simple thing. It has a lot of possibilities and use cases, I understand. Because I came from a background where my personal work needed kind of session management, Google Chrome session management, tab management, in one place, from one dashboard kind of thing, or one page. I can open multiple Chrome session. From there, I was looking for a solution, but I came across this most login, and it seems way more than my expectation. So you can test different browser version as well. Yeah, and then batch create. Let's see what is batch create does. Okay, so here you can give number of profiles, folder. You can choose this. Oh, my keyboard is doing its job. That's why I wanted this. Let's type something and then it should stop. Yeah, it stopped. No, it's doing. Let's stop. Um, yeah, I'm going tomorrow to change or diagnose something. Maybe I'll replace the inbuilt keyboard first, and then I can fix this problem. So here the OS, OS and OS version. I can even. Oh my God, I better not to click anywhere today. So you see, this one will allow number of profile to be created at the same kind of properties, kind of cloned profiles, you can say. But this is enough for me. I can create 10 profiles at one go, and then it will be done, I guess. I'll try to use this Google Excel sheet, this template as well, um, as we go along. But for now, this is enough.